Hey guys, how you doing? Steve Coyne here with Montani Construction. I hope everybody's doing well. I want to welcome you guys to our brand new YouTube page. We're going to call these little clips, these little videos, Montani Moments. We're just going to try to give you guys a little bit of information on how we do our bidding process, any type of maintenance, repairs, tips, and tricks you can do on your home. So guys, just be on the lookout for those. But I want to get into our bidding process today on the material side of the bidding process. So what we like to do here at Montani is we don't like to upcharge on material. We want to be able to save as much money as we possibly can for our clients on these projects. We make our money on the labor side. So the first step is we get all the design work locked in. So it helps us further get more accurate numbers on our material. So once we get all that set up and it's all approved, we send it to our vendor. Our vendor runs all the numbers. He gets us our discounted price. We then move that on over to our current client. So what they can do is decide whether or not that's going to be good for them. Once they approve that, thirdly, what we do is we go ahead and set it up for the vendor, for the client to pay directly to our vendor. So they get, like I say, once again, they're going to save money and get our discount. So right after that, we try to get everything scheduled for delivery so they don't have to pick anything up. Everything's delivered to the house a couple days ahead of schedule so we can get these projects started on time and give the client the best possible outcome that we can for them. So guys, we appreciate your time today, and hopefully this was pretty informative, and hopefully this will, maybe leave a little bit of thought on whether or not you guys can move forward on some of your renovations that you've been thinking about doing for your home. So guys, once again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Thanks.